the Tama o Va'atau Sili. And it's normally used by our orators to signify an event or coming together of people. Yeah? So if we were to use it this morning, the fact that all our malanga are now on top of the hill, I could say, Wa atoa tino ole
Va'atau Sili.
Tama o Va'atau Sili. Yeah, it's symbolic of a successful event or the gathering of people. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the story of Vaea and Apa'ula. If you want to know more, please feel free to enter it on Google and you will find the rest of the story from there. So, I'm thinking that we are going to be heading back down now. Please, as the guy down there said earlier on, our rubbish, please, there's a bin here somewhere. There's a bin back there. Make sure, even if it's not our rubbish, let's be good ambassadors for Kowhai and put all the rubbish in the bin before we go. And before I give it to Sanga?
We just want the kids to sing their school song up here, just to